Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's ornaments. Today I have some simple, inexpensive ornaments that you can create with the whole family for your tree. Come check them out and let me know what you think. Don't forget, in the description box below, I'll link as many items as I can. So first things first, I took a piece of paper and I made a square the size that I wanted to use. You can do bigger or smaller based on the size bulb you have, or if you want more or less on the bulb. Then I went ahead and I traced the square onto some tissue paper. After tracing the square, I went ahead and just cut it out. Once the square was cut out, I folded it in half like you would a diamond so that my points came together. Now I have a triangle. This is the same way you would start one of the snowflakes that you would cut out of paper, and that's pretty much what we're going to do. So I folded it once and I like my edges to be crisp. Then you fold it in half again so you have a smaller triangle. And we are going to do one more time, folding it in half to have this itty bitty little triangle. So this part that I'm facing down towards me at the very bottom, that's going to be the center of your snowflake. I'll show you here. That's the very center of your snowflake. That's what's going to hold everything together. That part is this part. So then I'm just going to start to draw like a little bit of a design. This is what all the sides of my snowflake is going to look like. So I want to make sure that I like it, right? To keep this project simple, I would choose a simple design. You can get intricate if you want, but it is going to be a little bit more work. Once you have your design, you just cut it out. So after we unfold it, this is what we have. I wanted to have a couple snowflakes on mine as well as do a couple bulbs, so I did this a few times actually. Next, I took some of these ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They come in 2 for $1. I'm going to take the top off and I'm going to put my finger in the top part just to hold it so that I can get the entire bulb ornament covered. I'm going to put the Mod Podge right on it and I'm going to stroke it evenly all over the bulb so it's entirely covered. Then I took the snowflake and I carefully laid it down, and I constantly wiped off my fingers so that the Mod Podge didn't get on top of it while I was laying it down. This is to prevent any fingerprints. To seal in the snowflake, I went ahead and I put some Mod Podge on the top also. Once everything is dry, you can go ahead and put the tops back on and hang them on the tree. And here's our end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this project. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a shot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!